everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And in today's video, I am going to show you how you can change username of your Facebook page. Facebook page username appears just below your page name and also in your page's URL to make it easy for people to remember your page. So I will show you how you can change that using my phone and laptop as well. So now let's get into the video. So in order to change the Facebook page username using the Facebook mobile app, what you have to do is just you have to tap the menu icon, the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And from here you have to go to the pages section. As you can see, I have 5 pages right here. So simply tap that. Now from here you have to select the page for which you want to change the username. So I'm going to select my page. And now here you have to simply use this option view as, and now you have to tap suggest edits. From here you have to go to the section where you can edit your page. So simply tap this option, and now from here you have to go to tabs section. Here you will see a lot of information and you just have to go to the about section. Simply tap the edit option right here, and now here as you can see that you will get the option to edit your page username. So as you can see this option right here, you have to simply press that change page username, and now here you can simply select this username and delete it and change it. But before that, I would like to inform you that when you change your page's username, you will also change your page's URL. Alright, so this can also affect the web traffic to your page. Alright, so make sure you remember this thing before you change or update your Facebook page username. So that's how you can do it using the Facebook mobile app. Once you have selected a unique username, you just have to tap this option create username, but right now I'm not going to change my username as I don't need that. Alright, now here as you can see, I'm already logged into my Facebook account on my laptop and I'm using the Google Chrome browser. So what you have to do is here you have to go to the pages section in the left side of the screen, or you can also use the shortcuts given right here. Alright, so simply go to the page for which you want to change the username, and now here as you can see my username has already been created. Now to change it, what you have to do is you have to scroll down here and then click on edit page info. Now here as you can see my username, you simply have to remove the already existing username and you just have to enter any unique username that you want to set for your Facebook page. Alright, so make sure you are entering a unique username, only then you will be able to change that, and after that you just have to exit this section and the changes will automatically get saved. So that's how you can change your Facebook page username using a browser on your laptop or computer. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you still have any issues left, you can mention them in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such informational videos. And I will take the leave now. We'll see you with a new video.